Hi students, this is Dr. Davis. Just wanted to do a short video for you just to give you a preview of what happens when we go from one week to another. Say for example you have a week where, say for example week 1, and you weren't able to complete all your topics in the homework section. And now Sunday has come and the deadline has come. So week 1 is done on Sunday. So you say, once you get your grades back, oh, I wasn't able to complete all of my topics. I'd like to go back. Well, here's what you need to do. This is week 1's work, and it's the same thing for subsequent chapters. So week 1 ends. We are now in week 2. You want to go back to week 1. In order to have access to week 1's information in ALEKS, you have to complete the current works first, which is week 2. Once you complete week 2's work, which is the homework and the quiz, once you complete that, you will be able to go back to week 1. Okay? Just a brief overview, because I wanted to make sure that everybody's clear on what that means. And in ALEKS, what happens is in each, I want to say at the end of each week, that Sunday, and then that Monday I go in and grade. When I go in and grade on that Monday, I go back into your quizzes. And these are the quizzes here. I go back into your quizzes, and I'm able to reset the dates. So you do have access to all of this information. Again, week 1, if you happen to miss the quiz, and we're in week 2, complete the week 2 quiz. And then I will already have it open for week 1, and then you'll be able to complete the week 1 quiz as well. So please note, just a final brief notation, that in ALEKS, your homework is in ALEKS and your quizzes are in ALEKS. If you happen to be in a chapter and you have not been able to complete all of your topics and or your quiz, you do need to complete the current week's work in order to be able to have access to go backwards. So once again, if you have not completed everything in your particular week, you will have to complete the current week's work in order to be able to go backwards. Okay, as you can see, week 1, 2, and 3 have the same dates. Okay, for this particular course, we're in a different set of weeks, but they still have access to week 1's quiz, week 2's quiz, week 3's quiz, and week 4's quiz. Okay, so each week that you go through, if you happen to forget some topics, it's okay, don't worry. But when you get into the new unit, please note, you do have to complete your current work before being able to go back. If you have any questions, let me know.